And it's good and wide like we like it. We don't want to miss any of y'all. get the whole meal in there. Okay, so I have a challenge for you guys, our 2 drone experts. Can a drone escape a mouse trap? So you know the glue traps? Look at the size of that glue trap, by the way. It's like super scary. If you've ever held one of these before, man, these are so gross. Because you cannot get that stuff off of there. So Seth, do you think one of your drones can lift off a couple of these glue traps?
I hope so. I will be disappointed if it cannot.
All right. So is this your drone of choice? Here, put that down. You're scaring me.
Good.
Not on. Oh my God, this is where mistakes happen.
Yeah.
Okay.
They're glued together, and it is one thing from then on.
Right. So what's your weapon of choice?
Well, since I am concerned, you have convinced me that the glue is formidable. We're going 6-cell.
Okay.
And this is one that ended up accidentally strong. Yeah. So.
And what does 6L mean?
24 volt.
Okay.
So this is
beefy.
Yeah, it's a lot in a small space.
And then we found some old skids.
Yes, right. These are actually from a 7-year-old frame before everybody decided that drones ought to look like this carbon.
Yeah.
They thought maybe it should look like something else, so we have these skids.
Okay.
And I've held them forever.
All right, so basically what we need to do is now strap those down.
Yeah, and we can drill this out. We can get one solid bolt hole back here. I mean, we could lift the VTX and great place for a zip tie.
Zip ties, all right. Okay, so now what I need to do is basically build a platform to hold down the glue traps, because obviously the drone would just lift off and take off with the glue traps. And so what I'm thinking is screwing it down to a board, and I have a wonderful board here. So basically spacing these out. Oh my God, see, you're trying to set me up for a disaster here. Look at that. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So we need to space these out. Oh, that board's not even wide enough for these. Wow, okay. Maybe I'll use this board underneath. Okay.
Fair enough.
Let's space these out, see how far apart those need to be. If we had a measuring tape around here.
Oh, there are some around.
Anybody see anyone in here? Anybody see a measuring tape? Oh, there we go.
Well, then got to be a house record.
Then just measure those for me.
Length or width?
This way, width.
4.25 inches.
Great. Okay. So now I just need to know, basically center this right here, these two on 4.25 inches. Yep. And then get the screw in, baby. This is 4 inches from here to here. So that should stick right down in there pretty good. Now we need to screw these in and not sticky ourselves. Oh. Something like that. So what's your vote? Turner, I don't think we heard from you. You think it's going to be able to lift off of this?
No. Team glue trap.
Team glue trap.
Yep.
Okay.
I think it's going to be stuck.
Yeah, so that's a lot of, come closer real quick. That's a lot of surface area.
Yeah.
A lot.
You can do it, little buddy. Don't listen to him.
What's the weirdest thing you've ever seen caught in one of these?
Probably a grass snake.
Yeah. Yeah, I've seen one of those as well. A frog was pretty roughed up.
Poor frog.
That frog had a tough time. That's some of that country laugh they don't tell you about in the magazines.
Yeah.
2 more screws
Well, I don't have 2 more screws. Well, I kind of do. Let's go on an adventure. Y'all want to find some screws with me?
Ooh, up on the toolbox.
I think I saw a box over here. All right, I think we found some.
3 inch and 3
Oh,
inch.
I got one here. I think these are different drill bits. I don't want to use those. Here's one. I think I saw one over there by you.
There's 2 boxes of 3 inch, if you think.
Oh, is it a Phillips? There we go. That's the fanciest looking drone glue trap I've ever seen.
Okay.
All right, so then now we have to take it out into the country to test it.
Yeah, I'd like some room.
Yeah, this is probably not. That's how where that hole came from. Is the last time we did that. This is bad. We got to do this one outside. All right, back after this commercial break. Okay, so now we need to attach the landing gear to the drone.
I'm looking for that.
So it doesn't get pulled off. What color are you looking for there?
I want red. I have 2 different shades of pink. That's chartreuse. I don't. What?
Black. Just use the black.
Yeah, give me. Fine. When in doubt. But they're smallish.
Well, you can go oversized or you can go undersized.
Over. I'm an orange man.
Okay.
All of a sudden. First time ever.
I don't know. The drone may snap those zip ties. That's the beefy zip ties.
I'm going to be so disappointed when this thing, I'm all ready for it to be a wild animal destroying things, and it just sits there.
We're gonna have to do a pull test on this one here in a minute too. See how many pounds of thrust this one makes. I got the scale for it and everything.
Oh. Symmetry.
Mr. OCD can't stand to have it backwards.
Zip tie won't work right.
Yeah, that's it.
I guess that's why we work well together, because I can't stand to think about it. I can't stand to actually think about how to make it more symmetric.
I'm going to get 5 more foot-pounds of power out of that zip tie. Symmetry bonus.
All right.
Bomb snips.
Bomb snips. Snip those up.
More. Give me a couple of.
Now it's time to glue it down in the glue trap. So I had a friend of mine, Nick, who said we should test to see if a drone can escape a mouse trap, in particular a glue trap. So the test today is, can we get this drone to fly out of the sticky trap? Seth at one time thought that maybe this was a yes.
Earlier today. I was much more confident.
All of about 20 minutes ago, he thought that maybe this could work. Me and Turner thought maybe no. And then we did some tests. And so I guess let's just give it a shot and see, because maybe it will.
Maybe.
I'm not going to stick it down in there. I was at the start. But now I think I'm just going to set it on top. Here we go. I'm just going to set this guy right on top.
You want to make it dangerous before we?
Yeah, make it dangerous. Give me the danger
We
sauce.
got to get this is the best part about 6S. That snap.
Yeah. All right. So we're just going to set it down in here. Okay. Well, this is scary.
This
Okay.
is scary.
All right. I don't know where to go. All right, let's hit it. Oh, wow. It's going. Oh, it's going. It's going. Keep going. Yeah. Whoa. Holy smokes.
That was also terrifying.
Wow. It did it. Yes.
Way to be. I had a lack of faith.
All right. So, yes, Nick, a drone, 6S drone, can escape glue traps. Wow.
I'm
Now, to be
sorry, I
fair,
doubted.
we didn't bury it in there, but it was actually stuck really good.
Yeah,
You
the
saw.
glue. We got the good
Yeah.
stretch and the.
Yeah, it was really stretching.
Wow. Yeah. Okay.
Woo.
So,
Oh, okay.
It launched.
yeah.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
was terrifying.
God, yeah. I hope I caught the majority of it on camera. That was wild.
Oh,
Wow. Okay.
we learned
There we
things.
go. There we go, everybody. Yeah, done. Done. That's it. Enjoy your commercial breaks now.
There was, man, there was the whole width, just a sheet.
Yep.
That's
Yeah,
so-
just-
I don't know if you saw it. Yeah.
Yeah, I was looking at it. I want it.
I like you kept it level.
Yeah,
I mean, you had to work it a little bit, but
well, it was shaking. And,
then all of a sudden just
Shoo. Wow, that was nutty.
That was what I was hoping for. I really wanted to see it pull glue up.
Yeah.
And, I didn't want it to just sit. And after seeing the thrust test,
How were you feeling about the battery on it? Were you like, I don't know how much longer I can keep the throttle on? Or?
ooh, yeah, oh yeah, yeah. I know if I'd had the goggles on, it'd be saying, "Please not, not so much."
So what happens with that? Is that just the battery can't provide the amps, or?
Oh yeah, because this thing will consume lots and lots of.
yeah. Over 100.
Yeah, it'll get to. I mean, it'll try and get to 100 amps or 400, lots of watts, and it's all the battery can give.
Wow.
But that's what it takes.
That's it, dude. I don't think it could have done much more.
No.
Yeah. Dope.